This is just a quick view from the other side of the street of the building. There it is. Okay, the Berlin Hotel. There's traffic going by me, right, because it's on a main street here, also known as the White Horse Pike. I don't know if anybody lives here or not. Inside it says no public access, so I guess it's a building, and it says it was closed in 1997, used as a hotel and restaurant until 97, and then it was moved to this location in 2000. And there'll be some information down in the remarks, in the textual description. I'll put some links, but here's the front here, and I guess they put that log there so nobody steals the rocking chairs, I guess, here. And here's what it is. Like I said, traffic coming down right outside, and we'll take a walk around the back here if we can, but let's see here. Yeah, it's got curtains closed there, and we'll go around the other side. Here it says Historic Berlin Hotel, built in 1826. And we'll come around the other side here so you can see it, and we'll walk around the back here. I hope nobody lives here. And there's a parking lot, and it says curbside pickup. So, oh, this is the other half of this is the library in Berlin, New Jersey, the back half of the place. Well, that's kind of nice. Don't want to go inside because they might object to the video, and I have to put my mask on and everything. But if they move this building here, well, I guess they maybe lifted it up and just picked it up and moved it. Oh, train coming down. That looks like the train that goes down, you can see it off in the distance. Passenger train that goes down from Lindenwold area down to Atlantic City, I think, if that line is still open. But yeah, we'll come back out here. Here it is. And a pretty nice old house. They're in pretty good shape too. They've kept it up well. And it's right here on the main drag here, the White Horse Pike. Okay.